Welcome back and happy Hump Day. We're going to be bringing to you the top crypto news stories. First, we're going to be discussing Bitcoin and the entire crypto market as a whole, as today is one of the most important days as TERRALUNA proposal is now live. We're also going to be giving some alpha regarding AAVE and MATIC. Let's get into it. Welcome back to the O Show, everything crypto and NFTs every day. I'm your host with the most, Wendy O. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, set alerts, follow me on Twitter and TikTok. So this is the entire crypto market cap for the day. And we can see a lot of things are in red. Probably the reason why is because of the TERRALUNA proposal. A lot of people are on edge. They don't quite know what is going to happen. But when we take a look at the market cap daily, we can still see a little bit of red. And funny enough, our friends over at Hex are up 0.2%. Now, let's talk about Miss B. What is happening? Well, as we talked about, crypto markets are in red, which is to be expected because a lot of people, I think, are nervous about the entire TERRALUNA situation. And yes, we are still ranging between approximately $30,000 and about $29,000. We are probably going to have a lower retest of $28,000. From what I'm seeing on the daily. Again, yesterday we talked about the RSI and the MFI heading downward. We also see the yellow cloud heading downward and the red cloud heading downward, taking a look at market cipher. Now, 12-hour chart is showing very, very similar price action. We see a red dot printed here. Taking a look at the 6-hour, another downward pullback. So we will probably bottom off around 26.8 if we do lose that $29,000 support. And again, you guys, I'm just looking for consolidation with Bitcoin between about $34,000 and $24,000. Yes, that is a $10,000 difference. But again, this is what I'm feeling in the market, and I'm not necessarily worried about current price action. And it's actually good that we do consolidate between $34,000 and $24,000, as we had a similar history back over here when we were consolidating between $41,000 and approximately $29,000 back when he had that crash last year of 2021. And next, we have to talk about the most important story in crypto right now, DOKWON and his TERRALUNA revival plan, because it went live today and people can vote on the proposal. DOKWON does want to go ahead and fork the project to Luna Classic, and a lot of the holders do want to go ahead and burn some of the project, and that actually makes sense to me. We covered it on the show yesterday. Go watch that. But it looks like the community might not have a choice. The proposal went live about 7:30 a.m. ET on Wednesday today. An hour later, it had 23.6 million Luna voting in favor with 11.3 million against. The vote needs 188 million Luna to favor the pass. Now, talking about this proposal. To me, it's seeming like you kind of have to put some of your money up to vote, which sounds like a DAO to me. And they're using a governance token model. So the issue I have with these types of models is that the big boys, people with a lot of money, can generally vote more and their vote holds more weight. So that's an issue that I have with DAOs. Either way, this story is very important and we're hoping that some of this bloodshed just ends soon because it's been way too much. Also, DOKWON is being taken to court. He is being sued. Next story, blockchain gaming developer Network Studios closes $46 million funding led by Griffin Gaming. Let's talk about this Web3. Play to earn games are going to be your go-to, going to be your get down for this impending bear market. We're going to have a bear market. Right now we're in a bear cycle. I'm not ready to call a bear market yet, but I really think that play to earn games are going to be it. And the reason why is ones that don't really have a paywall, people can sit at home and they can earn passive income. And I think that's absolutely amazing. Gala Games does this, Supremacy does this, Splinterlands does this. There's a lot of projects that have a very low barrier entry to do so. Also, Gala Games is having their Mayhem and you can win up to $4 million in prizes. Anyways, next story, MATIC and AAVE. And I actually hold both. AAVE, I don't have a moon bag. I'm actually down on that. And MATIC Polygon, I do have a moon bag. So the launch of Lens Protocol comes weeks after AAVE founder Stanny K was temporarily suspended from Twitter. Quote from Mr. K here, all Web3 innovation have been driven by the idea of ownership. He said this via Telegram. Web3 social ensures that users are in control of their content, which makes the applications and algos complete on bringing the best experience layer to the users. The protocol was announced in February, but today people can start minting their profiles. An AAVE spokesperson said nothing about the 50 apps, noting about the 50 apps are already built on Lens. I think that's really, really cool. I'm here for decentralized media platforms. I'm just kind of concerned with them a little bit because in the past we haven't seen any take off. Now, taking a look at AAVE, and yes, I am so down on this. It is absolutely terrible. I think I bought in like the $300 reason. Oh well, stuff like that happens. Now for AAVE, taking a look at the chart, RSI is flat, but MACD does have a bear cross on the weekly, and it does look like we were going to head down. Again, I released a bear market tutorial for you guys on how to buy the bottom. I would not be a buyer with AAVE here. I do like we had the swing wick low to $66 and popped up, but at the same time, this is a very bearish structure. I would look at getting in around $25 if this was something I wanted to load more on. Taking a look at the daily is showing that we're having a lot of resistance here, especially at 186, and all of these EMAs are suppressing price. So what I would need to see happen, I would need to see a flip above 185 to be bullish. Right now, I am not touching it. But again, we do have a nice bottomed out structure here at approximately $70. But it is looking like we could head back down and test. This will all be contingent on what happens with TERRALUNA. Now, for all our MATIC fanatics, Polygon. Same structure here. We're being pushed down by the EMA 9. We're currently testing this area support at 67 cents. I'm holding my my Polygon. I'm not interested in selling it. So it's a moon bag. And taking a look at the 12-hour chart, we're also seeing heavy resistance, but we're also seeing almost like a bottomed out-ish kind of pattern here, about 66 cents. Me personally, I'd be really cautious. And if I was going to invest in more MATIC, I'd probably set bids in this lower area here between like 56 cents and about 51 cents just to kind of be safe. And since we're talking about MATIC Polygon, let's talk about a platform I'm using to earn my passive income by holding. Let's take a look at some of the features our partners over at Celsius offer compared to some of the other exchanges that I use. So we have Celsius, we have Voyager, we have FTX US, Crypto.com, and maybe Coinbase here or there in Gemini. One of the things I absolutely love about Celsius that makes my life so much more easier is their swap feature. And the reason why is it can be pretty expensive to swap crypto A to crypto B. There's fees that incur there. And anytime you are swapping or paying fees, those fees you need to deduct from your profit, which isn't always fun all the time. And over at Celsius, I am able to swap my crypto, obviously the ones that are supported in the particular region that I am in, to another crypto. And that makes my life immensely easy because I'm saving on fees and I don't have to pay fees to swap my crypto. And at the end of the day, all of this stuff ends up adding up. And the more you are spending swapping crypto, again, you have to deduct that from your profit. And that's one of the reasons why I like to use Celsius for my crypto business and my personal trading. And it also helps me rebalance my portfolio when we are experiencing any type of market volatility. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope this video helped you. And again, please be very careful with TERRALUNA. And I am going to be off. I'll be appearing on CoinDesk today, The Hash. I'm also flying to Phoenix for an interesting type of private event. I'll keep you all updated, may do a vlog. Anyways, love and light. Bye-bye.